Hey guys, it's Billy, and I am here to film an unboxing of BTS's No More Dream Japanese version, and this is limited edition version B, the one with the goods. I think it's B. Not sure, but let's open it. Put the address on both sides so I can't hide it. Okay, never mind. Scissors. Dun 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 dun. It's really small. But here we go. Oh, it's a bag. Yep, type B. That's what it says. Bill. Bubble wrap, which will be used later. Here it is, guys. I can't believe I actually got this. This makes me so happy. Looky. Here's Sugar. Oops, can't see it. Jin, Jungkook, J-Hope, V, Jimin, and Rat Monster. And there's the dog tag. I can feel it. Oh my gosh, guys. So, sticker. Dang it. It's not opening, guys. No! Got it. The sticker ripped. Guys, I ripped the sticker. I feel bad. Got the OB strip. I don't know. Anyone understand it? Because I don't. I don't know if it's going to focus. There's the track list. No More Dream. And then the other song, which it's not coming to me. But yeah, I don't understand any of it. Okay. So here's the thing. It's the booklet that should have my dog tag. Ah, looky. BTS No More Dream Japan Edition. This is so cool, guys. Dun dun dun. Then that's the actual CD. Okay. So this is what the disc looks like. Is it see-through? Oh, nope, it's a mirror. And then just like credits. It's got the credits of all like directors and everything underneath. So the booklet. Got pamphlets. If anyone in Japan wants to use these, go for it. And there's a code there. But for Pony Canyon Premium. Then we have lyrics for No More Dream. And you can see their heads. And then you have lyrics for the other song. It just folds. More credits, right? Yep, credits right there. And then BTS. So, pretty awesome, guys. I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm gonna go listen to it now and fangirl. So, see you guys. Bye.